Welcome to Textbroker, the world's leading content marketplace. At Textbroker, you can quickly and easily order custom content for your website, blog, newsletter, or other content project. In just a few simple steps, you can receive unique search engine optimized content. Here's how it works. Create an order request. Choose the type of order that best fits your needs: open order, direct order, or team order. Open orders allow you to submit your project to a large pool of authors at the price and quality level of your choice. With direct orders, you select your preferred author and send them the order directly, giving you optimal control. With team orders, you handpick your team of authors and determine your own price and conditions. Select a template and then set your word counts, SEO requirements, deadline, and create an order briefing with instructions for the author. The next step is to add funds to your Textbroker client account via PayPal. You can use your existing PayPal account or credit card via PayPal's guest checkout. Textbroker is happy to return any funds you do not use to order content. Once your account is funded, a representative will reach out to you to go over your first order with you, and then your orders will go live to our authors. When an author has completed your order, Textbroker will notify you automatically via the email address on your account. Once you've reviewed the content, if you are satisfied, simply accept it and export it easily in the format of your choosing. If the order doesn't meet your requirements, you may choose to send it back for a revision. If you're unsatisfied with any revisions, you also have the option to refuse the order, at which point Textbroker will evaluate the refusal for quality and adherence to the instructions you've provided. At Textbroker, you can quickly and conveniently receive custom content for your project. Get started now with placing your first order, and thank you for choosing Textbroker.